day to everyone. My name is John Ian Baitamo from Three Diamond of Quirino High School, Metro Manila, Philippines. And I am here to present to you our experiment entitled Root Power. And together with me, to supervise me in this experiment is Mr. Roland R. Barcelon of Master Teacher 1 in Science of Quirino High School, Metro Manila, Philippines. So, we are going to prove the ability of potatoes or Solanum tuberosum in producing electricity. So, in doing this experiment, the materials that we are about to use are, first, the light-emitting diode or the LED, 5 alligator clips, and 4 copper plates. And since we lack 1 copper plate, instead of using this kind of plate, we have just decided to use a copper coin. Then 3 aluminum plates, and of course our source of electricity in this experiment, 4 potatoes. So let me emphasize to you that the copper plates are the positive poles in this experiment, while the aluminum plates are the negative ones. So let's proceed. The first step in this experiment is attach 1 copper plate and 1 aluminum plate into each potato. Do it simultaneously until we complete the 4. Then, here they are. Next, we have to attach the copper plate from 1 potato to the aluminum plate of another potato. As I have said, we have to do this because of the alternating charges of positive and negative. Likewise, attach the negative terminal or the negative pole, which is the aluminum, to the copper. And lastly, to prove that this experiment is going anywhere or not, we have to attach the negative plate of 1 potato to the negative plate of the light-emitting diode. Likewise, we have to attach the positive plate of another potato into the positive plate into the positive terminal of the light-emitting diode. But how are we going to identify whether the attachment is a positive or a negative one? So here is it. As you can see in the light-emitting diode, there are 2 attachments. And the shorter attachment is the negative one. And of course, the longer attachment is the positive one. So, all we have to do is connect the positive plate to the positive terminal using the alligator clips. Likewise, we have to attach the negative plate using alligator clips again to the negative attachment of the light-emitting diode. So, here is it. The LED produced light, and therefore we conclude, and therefore we now have proved that potatoes have the ability to produce electrical energy. So here is it. Once again, my name is John Ian Baitamo from Three Diamond of Quirino High School, Metro Manila, Philippines, representing the CSEED LAD or the SEED Philippines. Thank you for watching.